Hello, friends. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. This side Gio Abhishek signing in from the Epic Edu Club. Actually, this time I came here to let you guys know that I have uploaded few practice exam for the Epic's CSCP on my website, so you can go there and check those. Me, I feel that like the practicing exam before the real exam is more important because that makes you the perfect for your the real exam. You will know about like where are your mistakes, where are the things missing. So for that, I have uploaded some of the content, some of the practice exam for the CSCP, so you can go and check from there. And in this video, I will show you that how you can how you can go on my website, and from there you can download those practice exams. So let us go on my screen, and we will figure out from where we can download that content. Okay, so I think yeah, we are here. So yeah, this is my website, Epix Edu Club. You can Google. If you will Google Epix Edu Club, you will find that on Google also, and I will put the URL link in the description of this video also. So from here you can go on this website, and on the books section, here on the book section, uh, I have uploaded here the Epic CSCP download free practice exam PDF. So actually, this is not my content, but I have practiced. I have used this content for my exam, so I have uploaded this here. I am preparing my content also for means it is going to be a 2000 questions for every Epic CSCP, CLTD, and CPIM. I am working over all those, so I will come soon over that. And this is the free one, so you can download it and practice it. This is in PDF format. Apart from that, you can see here in the book section there are few more books that is related to CSCP, CLTD, and this logistic customer service and supply chain management epics this is the epics complete guide how you can prepare for the epic certification. And this is the free practice exam PDF, so you can download the book from download that practice exam PDF from here. Apart from that, in this website I have written a lot of content over logistic, inventory management, supply chain management. So if you need any guidance over there, you can pick those, you can read those articles. And this is the new look of my website. Means I think just a week before I have moved it from blogger to a real website. So yeah, you can check all those articles here. So yeah, I think this will help you. So basically this video is to let you guys know that I have uploaded the some Epic's free practice exam PDF, so you can download it from my website. I will share you the link also in the description box. Uh, I will share you the link here. I will share you the link in the description, and after that, and from there, you can download it. Apart from that, like on this website, you will get all the articles, and I will keep updating this website every means in every 2 3 days there is one article posting here. So now, and I wrote those articles myself, so you can check all those articles and expand your knowledge in the supply chain and logistics, so that and so the and you can share those articles also. Like here, if I open one, means I want to show you this website, that means so that you could get aware with that where are the things here. But here in the header of this website, you can find all those things. Like here is the home page, logistic, inventory, supply chain management, books, videos. So every videos like I do on YouTube, so every video you can find here also. And I am working extensively on this website, so you will get more things on the supply chain and logistic part. So yeah, this is all for right now, and I will share the link here in the description of this video so that you can download it from here. So again, it is please subscribe my channel, hit the like button and comment, and let me know what are the types of contents on supply chain and logistics you guys are looking for, so that I can create content over those things. So thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.